Hi. And who are you and why are you here today?
My name's Hadley, and I'm native to North Carolina, and I met Karen by way of Wings. She was in there looking for a thong. I told her it wouldn't fit. So she zipped me the bird. We became fast friends after that. We've been at Mustang Sally's ever since. What else do you want to know?
Oh, I think that's enough.
Let me tell you what she learned how to do because of me. Drink. And wear a bow in her head. She is now an official bowhead of the National North Carolina Bowheads Association. I am very proud to say she is the first Jew associated with MWA. What else do you want to know? Adnias.